Welcome in to this beautiful home at 1202 132nd Avenue Northeast here in Bellevue, Washington. This new construction home has 6 bedrooms and 5.5 total bathrooms for you, as well as over 5,361 square feet on a 1.7 acre lot just 4 minutes from downtown Bellevue. A rare aspect about this property is with the 1.7 acres, you have a private trail and private access to your own nature reserve. As you walk in, you see this beautiful wrought iron baluster set, as well as to the left, this formal dining area. As we enter the main living space, we notice these huge open windows. One of the things I love about this home is just how open and airy it is. It's so warm and inviting. And that leads us to the beautiful open kitchen concept. Here in the beautiful kitchen, we have quartz countertops, a beautiful gas range from Thermador, as well as a double oven. The people that built this home really love to cook, and you can really tell by the way that they set this up. Under the stairs, we have more storage space here, as well as an extra flex room on the side, and you have this indoor-outdoor deck space, great for entertaining. Off of the kitchen and living space, you have a beautiful bedroom here, great for guests who don't want to use some stairs. It also has an ensuite bathroom, and it leads right into the dining area. And now let's go upstairs. On the second floor right here, you have a beautiful bedroom with another ensuite bathroom, and it leads through these French doors and into this beautiful master suite. This master suite also boasts an awesome private deck right behind me, as well as another granite fireplace, and it leads directly into this beautiful, luscious bathroom. I never thought I'd say this, but this room might be my favorite room in the entire home. You got beautiful granite countertops, radiant heated flooring, and you have beautiful tub, and not only that, you have double vanities here and a steam shower. One thing that's awesome about the master suite is you have your bathtub, your steam shower, your toilet, and then it walks directly into this kind of California style, beautiful closet. And if you want to do your laundry, it's just very conveniently right here. Here we have a beautiful space, great for working from home, or you have your own law firm, whatever you want to do in this area, it's really beautiful for that. Another bedroom here, it's north facing. Beautiful, has another ensuite bathroom. That's one thing that's really fabulous about this whole home is every single bedroom has an ensuite bathroom attached to it. In the second floor hallway, we have plenty of storage space. We have a closet here for linens. We also have a double closet here by the stairs. And we have another bedroom with, again, a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. Let's go up to the third floor. Welcome to the third floor landing. Right behind me is an awesome sauna. Now let's go check out our rec room. Here in the rec room, we have some awesome bamboo flooring. On this indoor-outdoor style deck is some Italian ceramic. Very nice for entertaining because, again, this whole area back here belongs to you. 1.7 total acres. At the back of this rec room, really great to entertain people here, watch a game. You can also serve your guests from your ensuite bar. The solo bedroom upstairs also has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. Not only do you have this extremely practical home, you have a 3-car garage as well as enough parking on the side here for a boat or an RV. On behalf of everyone here at the Dovinh Group at Marketplace Sotheby's International Realty, thank you for taking this tour with me. I hope that you've enjoyed this.